unlocking answers to your most sought-after questions. What's in the Knowledge Vault today?
Washing sneakers in the washing machine is possible. First, remove the laces and insoles. Place the sneakers in a mesh laundry bag or pillowcase to avoid damage. Use cold water and a gentle cycle with a small amount of liquid detergent. Air dry the sneakers rather than using a dryer to prevent warping or shrinking.
Your daily dose of discovery ends here, but the journey of learning never stops. Subscribe and join us again for more answers tomorrow.